Okay, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Gemini Omni. This is the new tool from Gemini AI. So in order for you to access Gemini Omni, you just go to Flow Labs Google. So guys, if you're not unable to find where's the link, so you just go to Flow, and then I believe this is the first option. Try Omni. It's good that my credits just replenished with 1000 points yesterday, but I'm doing some things right now video because I'm planning to show you a new tutorial for a tool. And my experiment is I'll be using my static picture and then convert it with this text to video prompt. So let's start it out now. So you might get confused because it's different now. So you may click this one and then upload image, then immediately you will have the base from your image. So what you can do now is you have this one is add to prompt. So you need to be very careful here. You have frames and ingredients, image or video. Then you need to make sure that you choose this aspect ratio 9:16, and then by default it's 4 videos be generated, so be careful on this one. So you choose one only, and then this is the one that you need to choose carefully, Omni Flash. Oops, sorry. Then Omni. Okay, Omni can only be accessed using a paid subscription. So you might try to like get the free 1 month from Gemini, so you can play it around, then it will give you like 1000 credits. But I know there's like a lower tier for this one. It has like a 200 credits that you can play around. So 10 seconds is 15 credits. Let's get started. So I have this script already. Okay, my prompt is this. I have this base already, base image, correct? So all I need to do is give me a minute. Okay, let me check if everything is correct. Omni Flash, 10 seconds. Then voices, I'm always using this one, Umbriel. Okay, now I need some script here. Script. Then I already have this pre-configured. You might need to edit some wordings here. Sobrang dali lang i-set up. First is ilagay mo lang yung current savings mo. Then probably, okay, let's try it out. Hopefully it will generate all the script in one shot. So that's it.
Sobrang dali lang i-set up. First, ilagay mo lang yung current savings mo ngayon. Tapos, i-type mo yung average monthly income mo. You don't need to build any complicated Excel spreadsheets for this.
See, tapos na. Pero let's see, sinasabi niya ba lahat talaga? Yes, done. So that's it. Tapos na ako. So let's download this video, or probably, okay, I'll show you some tricks right now. Diba nakikita niyo yung
Isang libre
tutorial,
at madaling.
okay, so nakikita niyo may Gemini logo dyan. So you can remove it easily. So I'll just download this one. Download. I'll go with the upscaled one. And then Gemini remover watermark. So we'll upload a video here later. Let's see, Okay, done na tayo. So where's my video? Then I'll just drag it here and do some cleanup. That's it. Simple as that. So let me just pause this video. Then I'll just get back to it when it's done. Okay, it's done. Let's see. So this is the first video.
Isang libre at madaling gamitin na web app na
As you can see, the image is here. So I mean the watermark. So I just created or processed a watermark remover.
Isang libre at madaling gamitin na web app
So guys,
na magpapakita ng 6
you
financial
have the
trajectory mo,
results
and it comes with
already
AI analysis. You need
Sorry, someone's talking. That's me. Okay, so guys, you have all my tricks already. So go ahead and try it out.